Hey, it's Jeremy Glowacki, editor-in-chief of Projector Central, and I'm at CES 2026. First stop of the day here, and it's in the MediaTek, room at the Venetian. And it's not, I'm not meeting with MediaTek per se, but I'm meeting with Melvin Diaz from Epson America. And there's a partnership going on here with MediaTek, which we can get to in due time, but there was an announcement that you released today. Do you want to just give us a little bit of a summary of that? I'll let you do the talking because it's your release, but it's an exciting update to some of the new projectors you have there on the Lifestudio.
Yeah, that's right, Jeremy. We're really excited to partner with MediaTek and Google TV on the launch of Google TV with Gemini in our new ultra short throw projectors. So Lifestudio brand will be one of the first to feature Google TV with Gemini, launching within Q1 of 2026. It's a new way to experience Google TV on your visual experience on your home entertainment device, and we're really excited to partner with both Google and MediaTek.
Yeah, so we've had Google TV as a operating system in projectors for a while now, obviously. But with Gemini, you're able to have that AI added element to where you can accomplish more efficient search, can use it as a tool to just look up things and have your projector as the visual outlet for that. So you're not just doing it on your computer, you're not doing it on a voice-assisted speaker. So give us some ideas of what you think would be great applications for using Gemini in this projector line.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Jeremy. What Google TV with Gemini does is it takes the former Google Assistant, which was more of a command-based user experience, and it changes it into a conversational based user experience. So it really elevates, and now you can have a conversation with your TV and start to find out more information about entertainment, learn more about things in the world, learn more about sports, and even dive deep into your home and your photo album and everything in your Google TV ecosystem.
So let's do a little demo of a simple command that you would just want to look up some information, maybe a sports score or something like that. What would happen then?
Sure, we can do that. Let's start with this command. What happened in the last Ohio State game?
So it's a really basic, get me the score, playoff game, gives you just a brief summary. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, how about a little more involved, I guess maybe do the Aurora Borealis.
Sure, we could try that.
Northern Lights. See what happens.
But just to explain a little bit more about this, like you said earlier, instead of just a
give me the score
smart speaker just spitting back the score, now it's diving deeper, showing a visual representation of the score, some stats, and you can even drill down deeper and find some highlights, right? So really, you're now able to interact with your Google TV via Gemini by drilling down into content that's available online.
Yeah, and it's pulling content from obvious sources where YouTube is a Google partner, but it would be other outlets if possible. Like if you had maybe a recorded game on a Hulu or something like that.
Yep,
so, All right.
All right. We can do an example of entertainment.
Yeah, let's do that. So what would you like to ask it then?
Okay. Let's use this command. Hey Google, I just finished watching Silo. What show should I watch next?
Ooh, I like Silo.
So here we're seeing a visually rich response with follow-ups, right? So we see that there's Severance, Fallout, Westworld, Showpiercer. And then what I can do is say, drill down and say, tell me more about Severance. And here you're seeing the UI show details about the metadata, where I can watch it. As we talked about earlier, if I have an Apple TV subscription, it will show that it's available on Apple TV. I don't have to jump to the app, get out of this UI. I can go direct to Apple TV and access Severance and start watching it. So it really simplifies the process.
Very good.
Yeah. All right. And then the third one I want to talk to you about is learning. Right?
Yes.
So I can learn about the world. I can say, show me pictures of Van Gogh's most famous paintings. There we go. All right, and because we have again a great visual experience, we can actually make this
Oh
into a
yeah.
screensaver. So it really turns your visual experience into something that you can use on every day.
So the initial launch is for your UST projector here in the Lifestudio line, the Grand.
Correct.
And so the idea there, it's a pretty robust piece of hardware. You can integrate a lot more technology into it. You have the voice capability on the remote that comes with that projector.
That's right.
So
Yep.
that just enables this to be a good application and a lifestyle sort of product as
Yep.
opposed to something that would be an education market or a high-end home theater.
Yeah, that's right. Families can, enjoy this together and select content that's based on their family's needs. If you want to teach your 8-year-old about the Northern Lights, you have the ability to do that. And Google Assistant or Google TV with Gemini
Yeah.
will present the results in the appropriate manner. Yeah.
And what is it about the MediaTek partnership and you're here with MediaTek that enables this to happen? And what maybe just a quick explanation again of what MediaTek's role is.
Sure. So MediaTek is this SoC, system on chip provider. They provide the core processing unit that drives the entire system, both the Google TV system, the inputs, the outputs of the device, and some of the visual processing behind the device so that we can put this entire system together. We work together with MediaTek, Epson, Google TV, and MediaTek work in unison to bring all of the system up, the features up, and then the user experience to our customers.
And those who are already invested in a Lifestudio Grand will be able to add this feature through a firmware update, I'm
That's
assuming.
correct.
And that's in the first quarter. Timing ideas on when
Yes,
that
it will
rollout
be within the first quarter, is what we know.
Okay.
So Q1 of 2026, it will roll out to the Lifestudio brand.
And those just they get an update on their projector that says would you like a firmware update?
That's right. That's a software
Simple.
update.
Got
Yeah,
it.
very simple. Very
Yeah.
simple. Yeah.
Well, great. Melvin, I appreciate your time always. Great talking
Nice
to
to
you.
see you again, Jeremy.
See you.
All right.